On December 17th, 1972, the Apollo 17 last manned mission to the moon safely landed back on Earth. It carried 250 pounds of samples of the moon's surface that is still being studied today. This last mission of the Apollo moon program advanced our society quicker than had ever been seen before and gave technology that we could not live without today. For the 49th anniversary of Apollo 17, we have a special treat for you. We've been working on getting panoramas for the lunar surface, and we obtained a series that NASA recently released. They will enhance your experience of the Apollo Interactive Virtual Reality Exhibit. To get to the lunar surface, there are two ways that you can attempt this. First is you come down here to where it says Show Thumbnail Menu, and that brings up all of the panoramas that we have available. And you can just click on them, and that will take you to the virtual reality lunar surface image. But you can also go to the targets here, and if you come down on the lunar module, you'll see one says landing site Apollo 17 and Apollo 15 landing site. Go to the Apollo 17 landing site, and you will get to this VR image, and you'll see that there are points all along the horizon in the background. And also there are the lunar module itself and the lunar rover. And also the zoom in still works as it usually does. And you can also pull in the panorama if you would like. But if you want to view some of the sites that Apollo 17 crew went on, you just click on the target, and that will take you to the image. So this is where they were and the image that they took. But also again, if you would like to come back, always look for the target, and you click on that, and it takes you back to the landing site. And if you'd like to go into the lunar rover or lunar module, just click on the target. We hope you like this new feature of the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Museum, and we encourage you to give us feedback on what you think of our Lunar Surface exhibit. If you are not a member of the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Museum, please go to our Patreon page, which the address will be below in the comments. We would like to thank NASA for releasing these unbelievable images of the lunar surface, one of, if not the greatest adventure of mankind.